Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Lively Wallpaper and a ready video file. This is the fastest, lowest friction route. Download and install Lively, then place your MP4 or WebM in an easy-to-find folder. Once done, launch Lively so the app registers with Windows. Make sure you have no other wallpaper managers running because they conflict. You'll be able to select the video immediately. This first step makes the system recognize a live background and prepares Windows for the next configuration stage. Now add the video into Lively and configure how it behaves. You either drag the file in or click Add Wallpaper and choose File. Lively creates a profile for that clip. Then set loop and mute if you do not want audio. Choose whether it pauses on full-screen apps or when on battery. Make sure to pick an appropriate performance profile, low CPU for laptops, higher GPU if you want smoother playback. These controls let you balance visuals and system resources while keeping Windows responsive. Finish by clicking Apply and checking the desktop to confirm the live wallpaper is active. If the video looks stretched, use Lively's fit and scaling settings or pick a different resolution clip. For multi-monitor setups, assign wallpapers per screen. Make sure Lively is set to run at startup if you want persistence. If the wallpaper fails or shows a black screen, run the app as administrator, restart Explorer, or update your GPU drivers. These steps usually resolve permission and rendering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.